po, and welcome po sa christening party and our celebrator, Robbie Murray. So, today, we're celebrating her christening party, and of course, this celebration will be complete without the presence of each and every one of you, especially our ninongs and ninas. Nasaan po ang mga ninongs natin? Ngayon, nasaan po ang mga ninang? Ninang double. Alright. So it's my honor to introduce each and every one of you, our celebrator. But before that, can I request everyone to please stand up as we welcome the loving parents of Roby and of course, our celebrator. Alright. Okay. And of course, welcome po sa Max's Commonwealth. My name is Jamie and I will be your host for this wonderful afternoon. And let us all now welcome the child that we are honoring today. Let us all give them a round of applause. Rowie Marian, welcome to her Christian world. Welcome to the Christian world. Tulog na tulog. Ayan. Yes, ma'am. But before that, okay. Ayan, upo na si mami.